It's like a surprise egg.
Yeah, it's the Shopking. Yeah, it's Shopking time.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's Shopking time. Today we will be making custom Play-Doh Shopkins.
Custom Play-Doh Shopkins.
Now, I've never done this before. I was just thinking about it in my head, so I'm
gonna give it a shot.
We're gonna take a big clump of Play-Doh. We're gonna stick a Shopkin in it, just like this.
Boom.
Boom.
Then we're gonna let that dry, and we're gonna take the Shopkin out. So we're gonna have a mold. Then all we have to do is fill that hole with Play-Doh and let that dry, and then we'll have Play-Doh shaped like a Shopkin. Oh, I don't think this one's gonna work because of the big old antlers. It'd be really hard to pull that out. I'm doing Toasty Toast. I'm doing Jane Frame. And this one will not work. Alright, I'm gonna do Yummy Gum instead. I think that one will work pretty good because it doesn't have antlers, right?
Right.
So just wrap that in Play-Doh. Boom.
Boom.
Alright, so I got 4 Play-Doh Shopkins that I'm working on. Just gonna let these dry and then we'll take them out and we'll be good to go.
Good to go.
I'm not sure how good this is gonna work. Now that we've gotten the Shopkins out of our Play-Doh molds, we're gonna take more Play-Doh and
Stuff it in here.
and hopefully it'll look something like a Shopkin. What should we do for Jane Frame? Just sort of mix it together.
Get a little bit more green in here.
And then we're just gonna stuff it in here. See what happens.
Stuff it in here.
Stuff it in here.
See what happens.
Alright, got Jane Frame done. Okay, Toasty Toast. Let's use this purple color. We'll do purple and pink for Toasty Toast. Let's use this pink. And we're just gonna stuff it in there.
I'll stuff it in there.
Stuff it in there.
Alright.
Creamy cookie cupcake. We're gonna try and make that cookie be pink. We will give it blue frosting. And let's make the bottom part purple
Purple.
and pink. And what if we put our own hole in it? See that? Cool.
Cool.
Let's go ahead and do that on all of them. Whoops.
Whoops.
Get over here, pencil.
Whoops.
Let's use this Play-Doh Plus. And mix it with some white. And we'll make a really light pink.
That looks like bubble gum, right?
Just for this top part. Just gonna drop it down in there. Bloop. Bloop. Alright, So we got our gum down in there. What color should our box be?
Our box be.
Let's make it blue.
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 So that's gonna be our gum box. Just sort of work it down there. Alright, so now we are gonna wait and let them dry a little bit so they can get harder. And we'll come back and open these up and see how they turned out.
Will they be amazing?
Will they be terrible?
Will they be awesome?
I don't know.
Let's take these out and see how they turned out. That's not bad. It kind of looks like it, right? The ears didn't turn out great, but I think it looks like it. It's pretty good.
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
Alright, up next we're gonna do the Toasty Toast one. It got the detail on the back really good. You can even see where it says moose.
The moose.
Wow, I think that's my favorite so far. Alright, let's see how Yummy Gum turned out. Okay, that may be my new favorite. I like that a lot. And our last one is
Creamy cookie cupcake.
ooh, it's like opening a surprise.
Mystery egg.
Cool.
Cool. Cool.
I did not expect these to turn out that good. Who knew? You could make Play-Doh Shopkins.
Who knew?
That is so cool.
Who knew?
And you could even come in and draw eyes on these, or paint them, or do whatever you want to them.
Who knew?
This creamy cookie cupcake is definitely my favorite. So there you have it. There's our collection of Play-Doh Shopkins.
Who knew?
I hope you like this video. We got some other fun videos that we're working on for some custom Shopkin stuff. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And we'll see you on the next one.
Boom.